media present, we invited you here this morning to amplify our voice. We loyal members of NDC Northern Region, cited a document signed by our party's General Secretary, Honorable Fifi Flevi Kote, on the above subject. And the subject is notice of changes in the leadership of the NDC party in Parliament. Distinguished press, ladies and gentlemen, on our own behalf and on behalf of the teeming grassroots of the NDC in Northern Region, we wish to express our appreciation and support to the national executives for the timely decision to have made changes in the front of NDC leadership in Parliament. It is a very welcoming decision. It is a very welcoming decision that would inject fresh energy and dynamism in the NDC parliamentary front. Ladies and gentlemen, timing of the decision, we want to emphatically state that there is no better time to have made these kind of changes in Parliament than now.
Thank you.